Hello and welcome to Simple Cryptocurrency Demos. My name is Claudio and this is CryptosChain, the channel where I do cryptocurrency news, reviews, demos, interviews, and blockchain games reviews. And in today's tutorial, we'll be looking at Brave Browser, a blockchain-based browser which you can use to earn rewards while browsing the web, be it from your mobile, your laptop, your desktop, your tablet, or any other device. And we'll be looking at that in this tutorial in depth for you. And hey, if this is your first time here and you haven't actually heard of Basic Attention Token, I have done a review on Basic Attention Token, on the actual project, what it's all about. Do check it out. It's up on the top right hand corner there of the video. It should just pop up for you. Click on that, watch it, and then come back to this tutorial. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications if this is your first time here. But let's get right in. Let's not waste any time. And here, as we can see, after downloading the Brave Browser, and again, the link can be found in the description of the video to download Brave Browser, you can actually see the number of ads and trackers that have been blocked so far since I've started this session. Okay, and then you can also see the amount of time that I've saved basically from ads that were blocked and things like that. And here you can see that there are some shortcuts, like for example to access Google or YouTube, because these are websites that I have access since I've downloaded Brave Browser. Up on the top right hand corner here, there's Brave Shields, which is kind of like a pop-up blocker. It prevents pop-ups from actually showing up on your screen. And then here we've got the Brave Rewards, and this is the important one that actually earns your rewards. You don't have to use it, but this is the whole point of using it, right? To actually earn rewards. But if you don't want to use it, you're not going to get any rewards, but you can still use the browser just as any other normal browser. And actually, I've already opened the rewards page here. So this is how it actually looks. You can basically create a wallet, right? When you first open up this rewards place, you don't actually have this information here that I have, but you do need to go to crypto wallets and you can actually create a brand new wallet, right? Assuming that you don't actually have one already, right? I have actually created a brand new wallet. So as you can see here, if you extend this, actually let me go back here. If you extend this by clicking on the little pop-up, you can actually even set up a username, like I've set up obviously my channel's name, CryptosChain, for this example here. You can create a brand new wallet, which I've done. You can import a wallet if you have the private key. It has to be on the Ethereum blockchain. Again, if you're new to crypto, you probably don't know, you do need an Ethereum blockchain wallet. And if you don't have one already, then you can just create a brand new one specifically for a Brave Browser. It doesn't mean that you can't do that. Of course, you just need to make sure you save your passphrase, your private key. You can connect a hardware wallet as well, like a Ledger, for example, and you can go to the settings page. So here, this tells you the actual Ethereum address, your public address used to receive funds. So when you copy this address to the clipboard and you paste it into whatever exchange, you can send Ethereum to this wallet. Okay, so that's pretty cool stuff, and it will show on your balance, because at the end of the day, this is just a wallet to unlock your funds on the blockchain, right? This is all it is, really. Your funds are on the blockchain. They're not actually stored in this. You're just creating a brand new wallet here. This is what you need to remember. And here you got the Brave Rewards. So if you go here to this page, again, this is the starting page, you can add funds. You need to verify a wallet though if you do that, or you can withdraw funds. I don't have any tokens yet. This is a brand new account, like I was saying. It does tell you here that if you enable ads, of course, you can earn tokens. And this is the whole purpose of using Brave Browser, is really to actually watch ads and earn some rewards, because you're going to get ads anyway if you use like Google Chrome or anything else, right? So this is the cool thing about it. But again, you don't have to, like I was saying, it is optional. So I can just disable this. But if I don't, then it just reminds me here that earnings are paid every month. Set your desired frequency to increase or decrease earnings. So for example, I can click back on this. It tells me my estimated pending rewards, the next payment date, and of course the ad notifications received this month. If I don't receive any ad notifications, then obviously I'm not going to get anything rewarded, right? And don't imagine you're going to get rich from this, right? You're not going to do that, but they're going to give you a nice contribution here. So here there's also the auto contribute. So you can contribute, for example, a 5 BAT if you want to set up a payment. You can set up a contribution date, and you can set up the site that you viewed, of course. So this is pretty cool here, right? So basically, this is an automatic way to support publishers and content creators. They can set a monthly payment and browse normally. The Brave verified sites you visit will receive your contributions automatically based on your attention as measured by Brave. So that's pretty cool stuff. So for example, if I go here to the new tab and actually type CryptosChain, which is my channel, and I go here. Okay, and let me go here. Are you interested to find out what are blocks? Let me close this. Okay, so here you can see that if I click on the actual Brave Rewards pop-up, it tells me, it automatically links it to the actual channel that I'm watching here, right? So this is my channel, Cryptos Chain. It tells me Cryptos Chain on YouTube is not yet verified. Okay, so you do need to verify. The creator has not signed up to receive contributions from Brave users. Any tips you send will remain in your wallet until they verify. So I actually need to verify my wallet in order to receive contributions from other people. And in order to verify my wallet, I do actually need to use Upload, right? So Upload is actually another company, Uphold, sorry, it's another company, which is a wallet service that provides a service in order to receive rewards, right? I think that they actually check your documents. I haven't actually verified my my account. As you can see here, obviously I haven't verified it, but what are the benefits of verifying? Well, you can withdraw BAT that you earn from viewing privacy respecting ads. You can purchase additional BAT with credit cards and other sources, withdraw BAT that you may have previously added to your Brave Rewards wallet, and so on. Now, Brave software does not process, store, or access any of the personal information you have. So when you go to verify wallet, it does take you to Uphold. Here you need to create a new account, you need to specify the country, and so on. And it actually tells you here that as a security measure, you'll need to reauthorize the application every 90 days, or when your transaction volume reaches 250 BAT, because that's considered quite a large amount. So let's go back to rewards here. So yeah, this is pretty much it here. So now if we go to settings, this is pretty much like the same as a normal browser. It tells you the version of the browser, the themes, like I've chosen the dark theme. I like this color. The show home button, font size, and things like that. So these are pretty standard stuff. There's the history bar, which shows you what websites I've actually accessed. So I've checked out the cryptocurrency stuff on Google, and I actually want to go to Google in a moment to kind of show you something cool, because I actually spoke with somebody and when I did the basic attention token review, I hadn't actually downloaded this specific wallet, not the wallet, sorry, this specific browser. So I didn't actually know that you can't see recommendations here. So actually, let me close this. So for example, let's say I want to type cryptocurrency. See, it does give me the options here. I can choose recommended options from this list. So this is the same as, exactly the same as any other browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla or Opera or other browsers, right? So this is pretty cool, because they did tell me that initially you couldn't actually do this. But now you can, right? So they've obviously upgraded their software, so that's pretty cool. The browser is on a newer version which has this functionality, and it makes it searchable, right? Because this is cool, because you don't want to be searching for whole words, you don't want to be typing in whole words yourself. You want it to find them automatically, and then you can just select those from the list. So that's pretty cool. So let's go back here actually. Let me go back here. Okay, so there's the bookmark section. As you probably know, it's exactly the same as any other bookmarks in any other browser. There's the download section if you want to download anything, and again there's the crypto wallet section, which tells you your crypto wallet. So these are pretty standard stuff for a browser, but the only difference is that you actually get paid for viewing ads, and I haven't actually come across any ads, to be honest. I mean, if I go to CoinMarketCap, for example, I'm not getting any ads here. So ideally, I would like to get some ads, to be honest. Let me go to Bitcoin. But I don't think that CoinMarketCap has them, right? It does tell me, though, that Brave Shields has access to the site, and it actually changes the notification count there. It's actually set to 4 at the moment. So that's pretty cool. Brave verified creator, CoinMarketCap. So even CoinMarketCap are verified by Brave. They're actually using Brave browser as well. So that's pretty cool stuff right there, right? You can send a tip if you want to CoinMarketCap, who already have a lot of money, right? So this is pretty much how you use it. This is very basic. You can withdraw your funds. Again, you need to verify your address if you want to withdraw. You cannot withdraw until you verify. Let me go back here. And if I want to add funds, actually, if I want to go here, I can set a backup phrase, right? So I can actually back up my recovery, right? You can actually see my recovery key here. And if you want to go to add funds, again, it sends you to uphold, right? So it does tell you that you need to verify. Whatever you do, you always have to verify. This is what you need to do, right? So yeah, this is pretty much it. I mean, it's very, very basic, as you can see, simple to use. You can use it just as a regular browser, nothing special, except for the fact that you can create a wallet to associate with your account. That was it from today's tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, like the video if you enjoyed it. Let me know, again, anything that I should be doing, anything else that you'd like to see. And see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.